Who's gonna play with the slime first? We're playing with slime today.
Can I have
We're poking. No,
no.
this is mine. Fine, we'll trade, but this one.
Because this is the one I made.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, I'm going first. I told you I'm going first. So get close up. Zoom in. Zoom in.
Yeah, I don't think that's
No,
how
it's
you
good.
go.
Yours is awful. Go. Ah! I love this slime. Look how
No, that didn't. That's not.
Oh! Oh! She's gonna do not that good. Look.
What is that?
Oh, no.
That was horrible.
Action.
So I made this slime. As you can see, it's very good.
It's like beautiful.
Go.
Mine looks like scrambled eggs.
Mine looks like a blue, beautiful color of the sky. Who slime? Who slime? Stop eating that! You're not supposed to.
I haven't eaten it yet.
Comment down below which slime is better. Mine is totally better. Of
No.
course. 'Cause look,
So
so clicky.
So we're winners. Fine, now we're gonna show you each other's
Mine's
slime.
better.
Cause like she's obviously making she's
You're not
making
listening.
Action.
What happened?
she's making hers look really bad. So I just wanna
But
show
that
it.
one is
No,
mine.
yeah, you're making this
No.
look really bad because you're like poking it like that and playing with it like that.
Yeah,
so I want to see it like that.
that.
Theirs to show
It's
them
in the
that's good.
60s in Las Vegas.
Yours
Yeah,
is
it's colder
healthier,
at Grand
I
Canyon.
guess
Grand
is
Canyon's
good, but
like
mine is
that.
better.
Action.
Hey guys, comment down below who
Did you read
is
that?
like
They
the
have a-
best slime.
Hey, okay, whoa, whoa. Y'all can't be that loud. Y'all have to go outside if you're that loud. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, because I can't talk to you.
Yeah, but we're trying to make a video. We
Hey,
can't make a
don't speak
video
to-
with him in
don't
the
speak to him like
background.
Don't argue with me. I can't talk to my. I need to be able to talk to my wife.
upstairs.
Action.
So comment down below, guys, whose slime is better. Hashtag Amelia the Great.
No, hashtag Lauren the Great is better than Amelia.
Or just Lauren. Or
Amelia the Roach.
Hashtag Amelia.